Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Priscilla. Today I came up with a tutorial on how to create this header website page that every business coach and CEO are doing for the sales page, website header, or Facebook cover page. Okay, so you're gonna be flick too. Okay, you're gonna be on flick too. You need to make sure that your outfit match your brand colors and your nails are done if you're a woman or a man. Okay, you don't want to have dirty nails on there. And you also need to make sure that your lips are not dry. So make sure to use this. Okay, good. Now we're all set. Now I'm gonna use my cell phone. I'm gonna take the pictures here, and yeah, let's get started. So the pictures are taken vertically, horizontally. Yeah, like that. Okay, that's for a higher quality picture, I guess. Okay, that's justified. Don't try to take the picture vertically. Just do it horizontally. So when I'm gonna look at where my eyes are gonna look like is where the text is gonna be. Okay, so you have to know in advance where your text is gonna be. Is your text gonna be here or there? My text personally is gonna be here, right? So I need to look at this direction here, and I'm gonna smile. Okay, and you should do the same thing, smile, because anybody want you to be like, okay. Yeah, it is your time to be like, to get your Naomi Campbell vibe out of your body. Okay, be a model, but not too much. Smile. Okay, now that the picture is taken, we're gonna edit this beautiful picture. Okay, we're gonna make it look like this, and make sure that you keep following. Oh yeah, forgot. Sorry. Make sure to drop a nice cream under the comment section, because the following step's gonna be dope. And I know that's the following step that you've been looking for, because I've been looking for this for ages. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna give you some time to drop this nice cream, and then the tutorial can keep going. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Is it done? Awesome, let's go. The first thing that we're gonna do is add the picture that we just took. Okay. And then we're gonna crop the picture. To crop the picture, you're gonna go here and then change it with the right setting. Since it's gonna be used for my website, I want something like this. And okay, perfect. Now what we're gonna do is duplicate the layer, and then we're gonna do some correction. So we're gonna go to filter, camera roll filter. If you already have preset, it's good, it's gonna be easier. Now we're gonna go here on presets and select the right presets. Okay, which one do I like? Okay, then we're gonna go to, you're gonna change some things. I might want to change the exposure and play with the contrast, the shadow, white balance, and things like that. And once you're done, you're gonna click OK. And now we won't have the paintbrush. You're gonna use the paintbrush and select one of this paintbrush. And here you can adjust the size of your brush. So once this is done, you're just gonna blur the image like this. Yep. Oh, I did a bit too much. Let me do it again. Just like that. Just right here. Because my text is gonna be here. So yeah. And here you can change the opacity if you want it to be a little bit higher. Okay. Once it's done, we're gonna click on File, Export, Quick Export as PNG. Rename the file MerciPreci banner. and I wanna see how it looks on my website. So let's go on my website. We can go to settings. I use Squarespace, by the way, media, and I'm just gonna add the banner I just made. Which one was it? I think it was this one. Whatever, if you can see it. Okay, so that's the result on my website, and then you, hey, look at this. Really, yeah. So that's how it looks like on my website. We are finally done, and I hope that you have the result that you like. And I want to make sure that you tag me on Instagram with your final results. And before I go, I want to make sure that you drop a like to this video and comment a nice cream on the comment section because it was really icy. Okay, yeah, okay. And salute!